Students, to find a scholarly source for your comparison contrast essay, go to the library's home page. Then in the main search box at the top of the screen or near the top of the screen, type in your subject. I'm going to use the subject birds. Say search. At the top you will see it will start giving you a Galileo link. Then along the side you need to check these filters. Online, click there. Also click peer-reviewed journals and say apply. A peer-reviewed journal is a scholarly journal. So once you have done that, then you will see the different resources that you have. You may also want to go ahead and just say article. And you can see over here to the left it says active filters, online peer-reviewed articles. And that's how you find a scholarly journal article. Thank you.